Dear children, in this session we are going to see exercise 3.13 and 3.14. Question number 2. Akshaya has 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins in her purse. If in all she has 80 coins totaling rupees 220, how many coins of each kind does she have? Let's see the solution. Let the number of 2 rupee coins be x. Let the number of 5 rupee coins be y. She has 80 coins, so x plus y equal to 80, and totaling rupees 220. X is number of coins of x and y be the number of coins of 5. Totaling rupees 220 means 2x plus 5y equal to 220. Now look here, x plus y equal to 80. So x plus y minus 80 equal to 0. Take this equation 1. Right? Now 2x plus 5y equal to 220. So move this 220 to the left side. So 2x plus 5y minus 220 equal to 0. Consider this as equation 2. Now let us use cross multiplication method. So look here, x, y, the constant 1. We have seen already the cross multiplication method we should write from y coefficients. So here y has coefficient 1, so 1, and here y has coefficient 5, so 5. Next minus 80 minus 220, then commas from first. So 1, 2, then here 1, 5. Right here x, y and 1. X by 1 into minus 220 minus 5 into minus 80 minus 400, that is equal to y by minus 80 into 2 minus 160 minus 220 into 1 minus 220 equal to 1 by 5 minus 2. X by, let us simplify, minus 220 minus into minus plus 400 equal to y by minus 160 minus into minus plus 220, that is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2, that is 3. So x by minus 220 plus 400, that is 180, equal to y by minus 160 plus 220, that is 60, equal to 1 by 3. So x by 180 equal to 1 by 3. Move this 180 to the right side numerator. So when you simplify, we get 60. I write simplification here 1. The 6 3s are 18. So 60. So 60 will come here. Next y by 60 equal to 1 by 3. So y by 60 equal to 1 by 3. And here y will come, y. So y equal to, move the 60 to the right side, y equal to 60 by 3. When you simplify here 1, that 2 3s are 6, so 20. So y equal to 20. X and y be the number of coins of 2, number of coins of 5. So number of coins of 2 rupee equal to 60, and the number of coins of 5 rupee, that is 20. Now let us see exercise 3.14. Okay, now solve by any one of the methods. Question number 1. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digits is 110. If 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits of the first number. Find the first number. Let's see the solution. Let the 2-digit number be x and y. Its place value equal to 10x plus y. After interchanging the digits the number will be y and x. So let us interchange its places. Its place value equal to 10y plus x. The sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digits is 110, that is given. So their sum equal to 10x plus y plus 10y plus x equal to 110. So 10x plus x, that is 11x, plus y plus 10y, that is 11y, equal to 110. So divided by 11, this will be x plus y equal to 10. Next, if 10 is subtracted from the first number, so what is the first number? 10x plus y. So 10x plus y minus 10. The new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits of the first number. So it's 4 more than 5 times is 5 into x plus y plus 4. So 10x plus y minus 10 equal to 5x plus 5y plus 4. Move this 5x 5y to the left side and move this number minus 10 to the right side. So 10x minus 5x then plus y minus 5y equal to 4 plus 10. So 5x minus 4y equal to 14. Now consider equation 1 and 2. Multiply equation 1 with 5. So 5x plus 5y equal to 50. Now equation 2. 5x minus 4y equal to 14. Now change its signs. So 5x minus 5x will be cancelled. Here minus 4y. When we change its sign, this will be plus 4y. So 5y plus 4y, that is 9y. Here plus 14. When change its sign, this will be minus 14. So 50 minus 14, that is 36. So y equal to 36 by 9. When you simplify, we get y equal to 4. Substitute y equal to 4 in equation 1. So x plus 4 equal to 10. X equal to 10 minus 4. X equal to 6. The first number is 64. Now question number 2. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 12. If the denominator is increased by 3, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Let us see the solution. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Sum of the numerator and denominator of fraction is 12. So x plus y equal to 12. If the denominator is increased by 3, so x by y plus 3 equal to 1 by 2. So when we change this y plus 3, it goes to the right side. So y plus 3. This denominator 2, it will come to the left side. So 2x equal to y plus 3. Move this y to the left side. So 2x minus y equal to 3. Take this equation 2. Now take equation 1 and equation 2. Multiply the equation 1 by 2. So 2x plus 2y equal to 24. And take this equation 2 as it is. So 2x minus y equal to 3. When we simplify, we get 3y equal to 21. Y equal to 7. So substitute y equal to 7 in equation 1. X plus 7 equal to 12. X equal to 12 minus 7. X equal to 5. So we get x and y value. So the fraction is x by y equal to 5 by 7. Now question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the numbers. Let us see the solution. Let the two numbers be x and y. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. So x by y equal to 5 by 6. So 6x equal to 5y. Move this 5y to the left side. So 6x minus 5y equal to 0. Take this as equation 1. Now if 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, so x by y here we have. So we should subtract 8 from both numerator and denominator. So x minus 8 by y minus 8 equal to, the ratios become 4:5. So 4 by 5. Move this 5 to the left side numerator. So 5 into x minus 8 equal to, move this y minus 8 to the right side numerator. So 4 into y minus 8. So multiply 5x minus 40 equal to 4y minus 32. Move this 4y to the left side and move this number minus 40 to the right side. So 5x minus 4y equal to 40 minus 32. Now 5x minus 4y equal to 8. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Now multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 6. So here we have 30x minus 25y equal to 0. Here 30x minus 24y equal to 48. Now let us change the second equation signs. So 30x minus 30x will be cancelled, and 25 minus 25y plus 24y means minus y, and here that is equal to minus 48, y equal to 48. Next, substitute y equal to 48 in equation 1. So 6x minus 5 into 48 equal to 0. 6x minus 5 into 48, that is 240, that is equal to 0. Move this 240 to the right side. So 6x equal to 240, and move this 6 to the right side denominator. So x equal to 240 by 6. When you simplify, we get 40. So here we go x and here we go y. So x by y equal to 40 by 48. When you simplify, we get 5 by 6 using 8 table. Therefore the numbers are in the ratio 5:6. Are you clear? Okay students, see you next class. Bye.